We can't manage work like this. That's why I use Monday.com. My team uses it to manage projects, sales, recruitment, everything. Who the hell are you?
I'm you. 1 minute into the future.
What happened to you? Check this out. You put everything your team is working on here, who's responsible for what, and track where it all stands here. And whilst your team gets lost in painfully long email threads, my team's communication is super organized and easy to follow because it's connected to our work. But our team already has a bunch of tools that do this. Well, with a couple of clicks, you can just connect all those tools to Monday.com. That's how we manage all our work and data in one organized place. Do you know how much time this saves us? Exactly what our team needs. See, this is a dashboard showing my team's amazing performance. I get it. Oh, there's an app for your phone? Just let me try it. Don't come any closer. No! Why didn't you warn me that would happen? I tried. We can't manage work like this. That's why I use
Monday.com. Start your free trial today and get started in a minute.